Happy holidays, it's me, Lou Manfredini. I'm here with my talented producer,
Lindsay Smithwick.
Yeah, we're working on holiday drink recipes. Why don't you tell everybody what we're going to work on today?
Today's recipe is the Whiskey Acres Bourbon Slushy.
Yeah, you're not going to get this at 7-Eleven. You'll get the recipe here right now. Okay, the Whiskey Acres Bourbon Slush is something that you have to make ahead of time, but it's really a crowd pleaser. So you're going to need 9 cups of water divided, 3 black tea bags, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cans of frozen lemonade concentrate, and then 1 can of frozen orange juice concentrate, and the best part, 2 cups of Whiskey Acres Straight Bourbon. Yeah, cups. No 2 ounces here, baby. And then ginger ale for a splash at the finish. So in a small saucepan, you bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add the tea bags and allow to steep for about 10 minutes, and then discard the tea bags. Stir in sugar until completely dissolved. In a large container, combine the tea, the sugar mixture, the lemon, and orange juice concentrates, water, and Whiskey Acres Straight Bourbon, and then you pour it into a flat Tupperware container and freeze overnight. That's where the magic happens, Lindsay. Then in the next day, not the morning, well, I mean, it could be the morning, I'm not gonna judge you, but maybe that evening, you take an ice cream scoop and you scoop out a big old scoop into a glass, and then you top it with ginger ale and get ready to be refreshed. Well, happy holidays.
Well, happy holidays to you.
Yeah, this
Lou.
is fun to make drink recipes. Check them all out on our YouTube page from our friends at Whiskey Acres.
I love my job.
Bottoms up.